All right, so in this video, we're going to go over complex numbers and we're going to add and subtract complex numbers, okay? So a complex number is an expression of the form a plus bi, okay? And a and b here, the coefficient of I, are considered to be real numbers, okay? Not necessarily in this video, but in the subsequent videos, you're going to need to remember the fact that I squared equals -1, okay? The real part of the complex number is the a. The imaginary part of the complex number is b, okay? And two complex numbers are equal if and only if their real parts are equal and their imaginary parts are equal, okay? All right, so we've got the same two binomials here, complex numbers, 3 plus 5i and 4 minus 2i in each of these problems, and we're going to add the two complex numbers, and then we're going to subtract the two complex numbers, all right? So the main thing you got to remember here, when adding and subtracting complex numbers, you simply combine like terms. So this is basically taking you back to middle school math and the first part of Algebra 1, okay? So I'm going to remove parentheses first, all right? And I'm going to highlight the like terms. So 3 and 4, they're both constants. They're both real numbers here. The real parts of the complex number there. And 5i and -2i are the imaginary parts of the complex number. So we're going to combine the two real parts, 3 and 4 is 7. We're going to combine the two imaginary parts, 5i and -2i is 3i. So the sum of these two complex numbers is 7 plus 3i. All right. We're going to do the same thing with the negative here. Just remember we're going to distribute a -1 through this complex number. So when we eliminate parentheses, we get 3 plus 5i minus 4 plus 2i. So again, we're going to combine the real parts, 3 and -4 is -1, and combine the imaginary parts, 5i and 2i is 7i, okay? So that's a basic introduction to complex numbers and how to add and subtract complex numbers.